Good morning, viewers. I am Nurul supporting for Breaking News today. Our top story is Sumatra has had several regions in Sumatra, forcing thousands of residents to evacuate and closing multiple facilities. Heavy rainfall over the past few days has caused major rivers to overflow in part of West Sumatra, South Sumatra, and Aceh. Local authorities report that dozens of villages are now submerged, with water level reaching up to 1 meter in some areas. More than 4,000 residents have been forced to leave their homes as floodwater to continue to rise. Emergency teams have been deployed to rescue families trapped in their houses, especially children and the elderly. Tragically, several residents were swept away by strong current while attempting to evacuate or cross flooded roads. Rescuers have recovered a number of bodies, while some victims are still missing. According to the meteorology agency, the extreme weather is expected to continue throughout the week. Officials are citizens to avoid rivers, stay off flooded roads, and immediately follow evacuation orders. Experts say the flooding is worsened by the engaging rainy season and poor drainage system in several areas. Okay, that concludes the report. Please stay alert and stay safe. I'm Nurul Afifah, as written yesterday. Thank you for watching.